Hello YouTube, especially Julia. Today we're going to be making an explosion, a simple explosion, a lemon explosion. Oh yeah, by the way, I think I got 0 subscribers or maybe 1, I don't know. No. Oh yeah. You gotta take a bottle of water, open it, and then you fill it in to the top with this orange juice without any sugar. Fill up completely to the top. You might not wanna. Here's the bottle. Then you take sugar, and let's just take this away. Wait, I have a better idea. There we go, a bit of reaction, but then we need to mix it up. Wait up. Whoa. Lol. Please like, comment if you gotta say something, and subscribe to my channel. And I gotta drink this yummy, sweet lemon water. Goodbye, YouTube and Julia.